Today we're launching the Wall Street Journal Dollar Index, a new index that my colleague Stephen Bernard and I created to give investors, traders, portfolio managers what we hope will be a much clearer picture of the value of the US dollar.
Well, ours is a index based on the BIS survey, the Bank for International Settlements Triennial Foreign Exchange Survey. So what we're getting is an up-to-date market measure and also using the best data out there on market volume to really see what the dollar is doing. Ours takes the BIS numbers, weights it out by actual FX flows that incorporate corporate hedging, hedge fund flows, speculative investments. Every dollar that's traded kind of gets wrapped into the BIS survey, and that gives us a really good sense of how the dollar's moving. Unlike some of the other dollar indices out there where either the data is a little more out of date, it's not updated, it doesn't include the most active current currencies traded. The Wall Street Journal Dollar Index is comprised of 7 currency pairs weighted based on BIS trade-weighted data. The 7 pairs include the euro, the yen, the Great Britain pound, the Swiss franc, the Australian dollar, the Canadian dollar, and the Swedish krona. The real key to our index, the new index, is the Australian dollar. Not every major dollar index out there already includes the Australian dollar, which is really important because it's a commodity currency. It's looked at as the benchmark commodity currency. It also reflects views on China, which obviously as China gets bigger and bigger is vital to the world's economy. So we have some fundamental differences, say, against the ICE dollar index, which is currently the benchmark out there, and it doesn't include the Australian dollar. The Wall Street Journal Dollar Index also includes the Swedish krona, which is currently considered one of the great safe havens in Europe, along with the Swiss franc. Some of the other dollar indexes out there don't include the Swedish krona or give it very little weighting, and ours includes it, and once again it's based on recent trading activity, so you really do get a good sense of what's going on.
The value of the Wall Street Journal Dollar Index and its use for participants in the market, we hope to be many. We expect that corporate treasurers might view it as an opportunity to see what the value of the dollar is doing across the major currencies, whether the dollar as a function of an investment would be a better place to perhaps build plant and equipment in the future. For portfolio managers, an opportunity to see whether the dollar is trending as a place to be as an investment or whether foreign currencies offer a better opportunity. And for traders and even retail traders, a better feel of the value of the dollar as an overall investment opportunity against the major basket of currencies, and to give them an aid as to the direction of perhaps the real direction of where the dollar is going.